Faith arrived KwaZungu. Khulubusa introduced her to the ancestors, stating his intentions of wanting to make her a second wife. Ntombi is already showing Faith flames, making her run after chickens and making it clear ukuthi kusazoshuba la. Kelezo joined the youth church ka Ezekiel, and Ezekiel bailed out Ukata. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Hazo Zwide. Faith has packed her bags, ready to leave. We are KZN ayokotiza KwaZungu. And Umsizi made it clear, you better take care of my sister or else I'm going to kill you. Zungu was like, don't even bother, that won't be necessary. Uona is concerned with why is Faith humiliating herself like this only to become a second wife kakhulubuse. Like, it does not make sense at all. But Umsiz is like, no man, it's not like that. It's not like we're Plaza. These people love each other. But Honor thinks ukuthi man, his temple is just benefiting men. It only favors men. Why is it that women are not allowed to have it? Atumsizi here because babafazi they can fall pregnant. Who you gonna say the child belongs to? Blah blah blah. And then Honor seems like there's more into this man. Is it not because of Ukhulubuse's money? Or you think you're going to benefit from the lobola money? Yo, Umsizi lost it 30 years and so I out of line. Don't disrespect me like that. There's no way I'm going to sell out my sister just for money. And then Khulubuse and Faith arrived KwaZungu. Everyone is waiting for them. Bafike I'm introduced. His mom is there. There's workers, Kuno Tombi, the first wife, and her two kids, Uswahle. And this other one, Wimfan. And then Ashaka Khulubusa ukuthi angihambi ngedwa. I'm with Faith. This is Faith. This is the woman that I want to marry. Yo, yazi angasambheki ngamehla njani uNtombi. You can just say ukuthi nje hi. That Ntombi we're seeing back in Joburg is the different one manje la. She does not even seem like she's happy ukuthi Faith is here. Uma Khulubusa seems sweet and some worker made a comment about how beautiful Faith is and that her earrings look beautiful. I think Zokshelo and Manghamba. Usbatle didn't miss a chance to say that she does this all the time. She wants to buy us. Umawake was like, hey, I'm sure you guys are tired. Please, Ingane, get their bags so we can go inside the house. They go again, attend to the bags, and then get in clean. Khulubusa then goes to introduce Faith to the ancestors. They went Msamo, abikeke ukuthi angihambi ngedwa. While in Joburg, I met Intokazi, this woman that I want to marry. Igama lakhe uFaith, Intombi kaZwide. I don't know why they're using uZwide because uFaith is a Shange. Athi Intokazi kaZwide, saying Toluthando, and I want to marry her. Please accept her as my second wife. Yo, you can just see Untombi is not really happy about this whole thing. But because there's nothing she can do. She did say to Khulubuse, she thought if she agrees to this, then Khulubuse is going to love her. But we are indoda yakhe yaphunyuka ezandleni zakhe because uKhulubuse is really smitten with Faith. Khulubuse really loves Faith, and there's nothing she can do about it. Ambike-ke uFaith angasamoyizeli ushince neduku and says ukuthi cala nimamukele, and then they leave her there saying ukuthi uzomlungisela indawo uKhulubuse a place to sleep, and then Faith is going to be shown her room where she's going to sleep. Yo, kanti uFaith bazovela bamjahe even before she gets to her room. Kuthiwa they must start isapha. For the supper to happen, Faith must run after chickens. Qabanga, a whole Faith running after chickens. Yo, uFaith was like, what is this, a test yini? Ngiyalingwa yini? Yey, uNtombi wena really clear ukuthi mashange don't please watch your tone. Ungangiphamiseli izwi. I am Gwabini's wife. Mina phela unkosikazi wokuqala. So you have to respect me. Into engishoyo goes. So awungene la ushaya ivosho and get the chicken. Yo, uFaith thought ukuthi ufuna yini? Should I tell uGwabini ukuthi wena you can't catch a chicken? Funa ngazi phela ukuthi wena uzonakela ingane zami when I'm not here. You're going to cook uma uzodla. Yo, Faith realized ukuthi yazini la. Let me just get this damn chicken. Angena uFaith shem running after chickens. They're even choosing which one she can catch and not and which one she mustn't catch. Faith chased after the chickens and managed to catch one. Ayibambe ke uFaith inkukhu. Mase ebambile, and then now baze bahleka bengasahleki untombi ney'ngane zakhe, laughing at Faith running after chickens. I think her family will be so disappointed to see her reduced to this whole Faith running after chickens. The next thing kuthiwa inkukhu has to kumele ihluthwe so that they can start cooking. Faith must now kill the chicken. How? Athi ngibulala inkukhu mina. Athi yes, now mese sisibulala inkukhu. Yo, Faith was like, yo, Faith can kill people but she cannot kill a chicken. Also, she was like, how? Kwenze njani sis? Because when we were in Joburg, you said ukuthi uzonginakekela waziwafunga ugogo wakho. You even swear on your grandmother. Athi hey, anginagogo mina. I do not have a grandma. Uyazi ama-true colours kantombi saphumile. Faith could not kill the chicken ke. Athi yo kufuna ngizenzele wena sowufele test number 2. You just failed. Uthole u-0. Ayi ubone vele usazoshuba la. Usazomkhomba ama-flames Faith. And then okay, little lies about wanting to go to the library because now she's going to be doing her matric. Kanti she wants to go with Katlaro to this youth thingy, yes, church Ezekiel. But on my hair, and they going into this caravel. It's a whole group of youth going to hustle for money. Kwa Cosentine or Randburg, I guess. So they can get money for Ezekiel. Well, so you can just see Skelis is reluctant, but because she wants to prove a point to Katlero, she ends up getting inside the car, and then they leave. They're even convincing them because they're doing the Lord's work. And when they're exploiting kids, Hunter Ezekiel also released or bailed out Ukata. Remember the Kata that has been fighting Isaac for some time? They even ended up getting arrested. Ezekiel bailed him out. I think he wants to use him to fight Isaac. Now Umulifa saw a girl that he likes, but it goes south when this girl responds in Venda. And Umulifa still has trauma from Dorothy. So he was just like, can't you have Venda? But PTSD just came back Umulifa and he just couldn't handle it. Now he sees the girl again, but it seems like Umulifa Sashane Kwababa. I don't know if it's just pressure or yini, because I don't think he wants to date another Venda girl. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.